Right, simple video with the basics of XBMC. To launch XBMC, press the X on the bottom of your screen. Just highlight it with your keyboard and click on it. Now you won't get this message. I get that message on me. I'm showing you this on the iPad, not my iPad, my Samsung. Right, in the top right hand corner you'll see some little things coming up with a little cog on it. Just let them finish what they're doing. I always leave it for a couple of minutes just to do that. Now this is just to show you what to do with the first time you turn this XBMC on. You'll notice that these pictures here that are changing in the middle of the screen, they're the TV shows and movies that I like to watch, so that's part of the video library I've added. Video library is just to make it a lot easier for you to use XBMC. You won't find this on most people's XBMC. Right, so first of all, you've got this one, which is movies. These, like you see here, PrimeWire, Genesis, Phoenix, Ice Films. You'll find all your movies and TV series in them. You'll mostly use Genesis. The video library and the movie library works with mostly with Genesis. If you go here where it says video add-ons, just click on that. You'll see in here you've got even more video add-ons. They all have different things in them. Some are on your front screen, some are not. You just simply click on them and they work. If you want live TV, it's this VDubbed 25 or that World TV by Xfinity Talk. You've also got TV Online, live sport in that Pack India Live, for ITV Player. You'll have BBC One Player on it as well. I forget what it's called. Football Today. That's any football match from any league in any country. Any football games that have been recorded, you'll find in there. Film on TV. That's got UK channels in it, like BBC One, Granada, E4, and all that. Just go back. This green one here. This is where you'll save your TV shows, and any TV shows that you've saved, if they're still running, the TV guide there, I'll tell you when they're on next. That TV guide only works with the videos you've added to your library. Then you've got the music. Now on this D-pad, I can't get rid of the weather, which is this one. But it's not on your Android box. Your next box will be this settings. If there's any help videos on my YouTube or One Matrix Facebook, it'll basically be showing what they're for. Now what I always say is when you first get your box, set up your video library, which is very simple to do. Let's slow this movement across on my D-pad. Go on Genesis. One channel. You'll get this message the first time you go on one channel. You might not, but you might. I can't remember if when I set the box up I'd actually been on it. Just ignore that one. Press the wrong one. Now sometimes this one channel goes off, so don't worry about it. It's just Virgin and Sky blocking it, but it comes back on a couple of hours later. You've got TV shows in there. Good idea if I clicked it. Right. I don't want to go on that one, I want to go on. Oh, God. I want to go on Genesis. So I'll just go back. Just press back on your keyboard, which is the right mouse button. Right, I want to go on Genesis, so click on Genesis. I discovered the other day that Genesis has channels, but you know, I've never ever used them because they if you look in there. It's got all the Sky Movie channels. But you know, I've never ever watched them, and the reason is because all them films you'll find in Genesis anyway, and they're all dead old. Because like Sky, they play them 12 months after they've been on the TV. I'll keep playing old rubbish. So what I say is go to TV shows. Do this to set up your video library. Now, any programs that you watch on, say Sky One, Sky Atlantic, any channel, absolutely any program that you watch is in here. And the beauty of it is the entire box set's in here, and if it's still being played on TV, then every week the one that is the next one that comes up is on here as well. So just what I do is go through these programs. You see a program that you like to watch. I like Viking, so if you press C on your keypad, this little context menu will come up. Just simply add it to library like that, and a little thing will come up in the corner saying it's done or it's adding it. And then what it'll do, it'll download a link, the best link for every single episode of that program. Just go through, just keep doing that until you find all the programs that you like to watch. You can video search for them. You can go on TV calendar, people search, and if you go back to the home screen, go over to TV shows. It's a bit slow on my pad. You click on TV shows, which is that green one. It's a bit slow on this pad. You click on it like that. Now all the TV shows that you've saved are in there. Them numbers down the left hand side are how many episodes there is. As you watch them, they'll go down obviously. The little things that were working in the top right hand corner when you turn the box on. When you've watched the video, after a few days it'll delete the link, so it's not clogging up your system, so it runs nice and smooth. So if I click on Game of Thrones, there you go, entire box set. And every time a new show comes on, it's on here. There you go. Sons of the Happy, which was the other day. It's that simple. You're looking for normal English channels, just go on to FTV there. And there you go, UK Live TV. There you go, all the UK Live TV channels. Now, somebody said to me, what channels has it got? It's not like a digibox. Every channel that you go on here, you can't just simply click up and down to change the channel or press a number on your controller. You have to physically stop it. So if I go on BBC One like this, oh damnation, I pressed it twice. So BBC One starts to play. You have to stop. You have to stop the program to turn the channel over. The beauty of the TV series that you find in Genesis or any of the other add-ons, they don't have adverts, so they run straight through. The more videos you add to your library, then the Lazy TV program will select TV series and some films and just play it all day long for you without you having to search, which makes it nice and easy. This Navi X here, you'll find a lot of stuff like Triple X stuff, pay-per-view events, updated movies that none of the other add-ons have got. You'll find them in there first. And that's the basics of number one. Just, if the thing crashes on you while you're watching a film, it'll do it every now and then if it's got something to do with your internet. If it crashes during a film and the screen goes black, don't worry, you haven't broke it or anything. all you do is simply go back to the home screen, click on that middle button, go over to your settings. Now do this with a lot of apps do crash on Android. It's just one of them things. It's quite simple to stop. If you press on apps and go down to the program that's crashed, whatever program it is, just say this was XBMC that crashed, and then all you do is press force stop. Press force stop like that. It'll ask you that. Say OK. Go back. Press on XBMC, and it'll reload, and then you can just start watching your film again. You can also get back out while it's loaded. Sometimes it'll do that. You can get back out if you go back like that. Notice how I've gone back to the home screen. If I go back on that, it's loaded. It's in the background, you see. While it's like that, I can still go back and go back in it. And there you go. So physically stop it and make sure that you do, because it'll update properly when you stop it. You just press exit like that. And there you go. I'll go back to the home screen. Now, I'll just show you a couple of settings on your box that you might want to know. You can turn your box into a hotspot. It's quite simple. You can't do it while it's on Wi-Fi. No. It's only when you're on Ethernet. When you're on Ethernet, I can't show you on this. I'll have to show you on the. I've not got Ethernet on this stupid tablet. Anyway, if you click that one there more, you see where it says portable hotspot. Oh, you can actually set it up with Wi-Fi. If you click on that there, it'll ask you to name your network. You might have a name for your network. It's usually Android AP. I usually leave it like that. Put your password in, save it, and then when you go back, see this top one where it says portable Wi-Fi hotspot? Click on that, and it'll tick and say it's enabled, and then that'll turn your box into a Wi-Fi booster and a hotspot for the rest of the house. And that's the basics of your Android box.